students, welcome to the chapter Real Numbers. The number system consists of real numbers and imaginary numbers. They come together to form complex number in the form a plus ib. Real numbers are the numbers which can be written in the form m by n, where m and n are the integers and n is not equal to 0. For example, 2 by 3, 3 by 5, etc. Rational numbers can be written in the decimal form also. They can be either terminating or non-terminating, repeating. Rational numbers are also categorized as integers or fractions or decimals. Integers are all the negative and the non-negative numbers including 0. Positive numbers and 0 are called as whole number, whereas only positive number excluding zeros are called as natural numbers. Positive numbers are again categorized as 1, prime number which has exactly 2 divisors, and the composite numbers which has minimum 3 divisors. Next is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are the numbers which cannot be written in the form of m by n. For example, minus root 2, minus root 3, minus root 18. They are non-terminating, non-repeating numbers. LCM and HCF are the two important concepts in algebra. Let us understand them step by step. Least common multiple. LCM is the product of common and uncommon prime factors involved in the number. It is the smallest common dividend of two or more divisors. Here we have taken an example of 8 and 20. The factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2 and the factors of 20 are 2 into 2 into 5. Taking the common factors 2 into 2 and the uncommon factors 2 into 5, the product of all these numbers comes to 40. Therefore, the LCM of 8 into 20 is equal to 40. In layman language, LCM of a 2 or more than 2 numbers is the smallest number which is divisible by both the numbers or more than the 2 numbers. Next is HCF, highest common factor. It is the product of common prime factors involved in the number and it is the greatest common divisor of 2 or more dividend. Again with the same example, taking only the common factors of 8 and 20, the HCF of 8 and 20 is 2 into 2, which gives out 4 as the value. In layman language, HCF of 2 or more than 2 number is the greatest number which divides both the number or more than 2 numbers. There are different methods to find HCF and LCM. The first is Euclid division lemma and the second is fundamental theorems of arithmetics. Euclid division lemma is basically the restatement of the usual division system. The formal statement for this is, for each pair of the given positive integers c and d, there exists a unique whole number q and r which satisfies the given relation c is equal to dq plus r, where 0 is less than equal to r, less than equal to b, where q and r can also be 0. If r is equal to 0, the HCF of c and d is d. But if r is not equal to 0, we continue this process until the remainder is 0 and the divisor is the HCF of c and d. The fundamental theorem of arithmetics is, we factorize each composite number as the product of some prime numbers, and of course this prime factorization of a natural number is unique as the other as the order of the prime factor does not matter. The relationship between HCF and LCM is HCF into LCM is equal to the product of the two composite numbers. There are some points to remember in this chapter. If n is not a perfect square, then square root of n is an irrational number. The last point of this chapter is the rational number and their decimal expansion. Let y be any real number whose decimal expansion terminates into a rational number, which we can express in the form of a by b, where a and b are co-prime, and the prime factorization of denominator b has the power 2 or 5 or both, like 2 raised to n and 5 raised to m, where n and m are non-negative integers. Thank you, class.